Hi guys, my name is Christina, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Gucci inspired hoodie. Previously I made a Gucci tracksuit which is matching with this hoodie, so if you want to see that video, click there. And also I'm going to show in this video how to get the custom pattern for it, so you can have it in like 10 minutes and we can all start sewing. So let's do this. Let's start the video. So recently I discovered this pattern making software, and it is so easy and fast to use it. In minutes you can have your own pattern custom made for you, and you can print it out on your home printer. So let's start. Okay, so this is a tutorial, but anyway, here it is. Design, new design, and then you choose what you like. I'm going to make a hoodie, so I need a bodice and a sleeve custom made for my body. Okay, so let's start with the silhouettes. Okay, so I just tell you the screen. Here is the 3D version, and here is exactly your custom pattern. You can put your pattern measurement into here. I have it saved. So this pattern here exactly for my measurement. And then here is the technical sketch, and here you have the choices, what kind of shirts styles are there. Okay, let me pull this a little bit. Maybe the length. So I think above high hip, maybe this one. Let's see. Come on. Okay, yeah, this is what I probably want. Maybe something like this. Probably this one. Okay, they didn't put the simulation, but here on the technical sketch you see that this is hoodie length. Here is the pattern pieces, and let's get a sleeve. The long sleeve. Too bad it couldn't show the 3D version. Let's try this. It's okay. So here we have the hoodie. This is how it's going to look like, and here we are the pattern, and this pattern we're just going to print it out in our home printer, and that's it. You saw how fast I was able to create this pattern, and now we're just going to print it out, and let's start sewing. So this is how it looks like when it comes out from the printer, and basically here you just have to measure that this is 4 inch. If it's accurate, then your pattern should be accurate also. And then some sewing instruction, and then this is how the pattern looks like when you print it out. Basically it has the number 5-1, and oh, this is 3, 1 second, 2, 3, and you just glue beside each other and cut it out, and you got your pattern. So the only pattern what I made, that was a hoodie, because the pattern making software doesn't have a hoodie version, so I just dragged that myself. So here are my pattern pieces. I cut them out: hoodie, sleeve, back and front, and this is the inside out of the fabric. I choose this green fabric. I think these dots kind of look Gucci. Yeah. So now I just stitch the side seam together. So I'm going to add this Gucci looking ribbon, the bees on it. Looks nice on the sleeve in the mirror. The hoodie is double layer. I match the two right side together and I give an edge stitch by the opening. So here is the hoodie, the two sleeve, and then the next step is that I am adding this waistband. So the next step is that I'm going to add the zipper. I'm going to put a white zipper in it because I made tracksuit pants exactly from the same color, and the waistband is white of the pants, so I think the zipper is gonna go nice even though the sweater is, the hoodie is green. I think it's going to look nice. And here is the waistband I already put on. And now that we have the hoodie, this is how it looks like. But I'm going to add these ones, these like little embroidery beads. So I think it's going to look pretty, something like this, maybe. So here I have my hoodie, it's fitted, and now I'm just going to add these things on, but it's not that easy. I don't know. So I think I have to pin it first and then embroider it on. So I'm just going to add a whole bunch of more, and let's see. Okay, I have my bees on. How do they look like? I like it. Super fun. So here's my hoodie. I finished it. Check it out. Check out my bees. I think they are so cute. Such a good project. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe, and bye for the next video.